Did you know that the sector most targeted by cyber attacks 3 years in a row is manufacturing?
Yikes.
In fact, it accounts for roughly 1/4 of all attacks. Did you know that downtime costs an estimated $260,000 per hour?
That's a lot.
And according to a recent research, ransomware attacks on industrial organizations increased by nearly 87% in 2024. Did you know that the cost of cybercrime has increased 125% per year on average, with the impact of a successful cyber attack reaching $4.7 million per attack?
No, but continue.
If this growth keeps going, the projected global impact could reach $10.5 trillion by 2025. Did you know that 85% of incidents could have been mitigated with patching, MFA, or at least privilege principles?
I did not.
Did you know that VRX can help?
No, tell me more.
Okay, sure. Here's a few things. Automated patch deployment to reduce routine workload, extensive coverage for third-party apps, support for legacy systems to reduce production halts. Did you know that IT and security can finally get along with VRX?
No.
Well, now you do. Book a demo today and we won't show you this ad ever again. It's a promise.